Hello everyone, welcome to Shine with Khushi, and I am here with part 2 of Indices IPM. So let's get started. Let's start with question number 6. Cube root of 64 to the power minus 4 multiplied by 125 to the power minus 2. So whenever there is a cube root or a square root, in such cases there is a formula or a law of indices which you have to follow. It is given that any power means any root, that is either square root or cube root, to a number which is having a power. So if it is not having a power, you can assume the power as 1. If it is having a power, that power, it results to the number with the power divided by the what is its root. Okay, so like in this question, it is a cube root, so we will write it as 64 to the power minus 4 by 3. The exponent will be divided by the root. If it is a square root, it will be divided by 2. If it is a cube root, it will be divided by 3. So this is the law. So it will be 64 to the power minus 4 divided by 3 multiplied by 125 to the power minus 2 by 3. The cube root, the 3, it will be divided to the exponent of both the numbers which are under the square root or the cube root. Now 64 we can rewrite it as 4 to the power 3 whole bracket minus 4 by 3 multiplied by 125 we can rewrite as 5 to the power 3 whole bracket minus 2 by 3. Now we are having a negative fraction, so we know the power law. We will multiply 3 and minus 4 by 3. That will result in 4 to the power minus 4. And when we multiply 3 and minus 2 by 3, it will result to minus 2. So 4 to the power minus 4 multiplied by 5 to the power minus 2 is your next step. And now we know that a to the power minus m equal to 1 divided by a to the power m. So 4 to the power minus 4 will be written as 1 divided by 4 to the power 4, which is 256, and 5 to the power minus 2, it is written as 1 divided by 5 to the power 2, which is 25. So 1 divided by 256 multiplied by 1 divided by 25 is 1 divided by 6400. Now the seventh question, the value of 16 to the power 7 by 4. Now there's a fraction, so for that we have to change the base. 16 we can rewrite it as 4 to the power 2, or we can rewrite it as 2 to the power 4. But we will choose 2 to the power 4. Why? Because we want to make 7 by 4 this fraction into a single number. And how we can make it? We have to cut a denominator with some number. So if it will be 2, so 2 into 7 by 4, so it will be 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. It will be 7 by 2. And we don't want number in fraction or decimal, so for that we have to convert it in 2 to the power 4, so that you can easily cut 4 and 4. So it will be resulted into 2 to the power 7, which is 128. So the answer for the seventh one is first option, 128. Eighth question, 5 to the power 1 by 4 multiplied by 125 to the power 0.25. So 0.25 you can rewrite it as 25 by 100. Right. Now 125 you can rewrite it as 5 to the power 3. Now by the power law you can multiply 3 and 25 by 100, which will result into 75 by 100. So it will be 5 to the power 1 by 4 multiplied by 5 to the power 75 by 100. Now we know the product law. When the bases are same, the exponents are different, we can do this law. A to the power m multiplied by a to the power n equal to a to the power m plus n. So 5 to the power 1 by 4 plus 75 by 100. Now either you can do it by cross multiplication or by LCM. It will be 1 into 100 is 100 plus 75 into 4 is 300 divide by 100 into 4 is 400. So 400 by 400, which is 1. 5 to the power 1, which is 5. So the answer for the 8th question is 5 itself. Now the 9th question, 5 multiplied by square root of 5 multiplied by 5 to the power 3 divided by 5 to the power minus 3 by 2 equal to 5 to the power a plus 2. Now one thing that don't confuse it with the 6th question, the 5 which is given, don't confuse with the 6th question, because in the 6th question, now inside that root there was written 3, but here 5 it is not inside the root, okay. So it is a square root only and 5 is multiplied. So it is 5 into square root of 5 into 5 to the power 3 divided by 5 to the power minus 3 by 2 equal to 5 to the power a plus 2. Now just reordering the sequence, 5 into 5 to the power 3. So by the product law we can add their exponents. So it will be 5 to the power 1 plus 3 multiplied by root of 5 divided by 5 to the power minus 3 by 2 equal to 5 to the power a plus 2. Now 5 to the power 4 divided by 5 to the power minus 3 by 2. So by the quotient law, when bases are same, exponents are different, you can minus them. So 4 minus 3 by 2. Okay. So minus will be plus. 4 plus 3 by 2, which is either by cross multiplication or by LCM, you get the answer 11 by 2. So 5 to the power 11 by 2 multiplied by square root of 5 equal to 5a plus 2. Now square root of 5. Square root of 5, as I told you, that whenever there is a square root or a cube root of any number having a power, we have to divide the power by the number of root it is having. So it is having square root, so we will divide, the power is 1, so we'll divide 1 by 2. So it will be 5 to the power 1 by 2. Now 5 to the power 1 by 2 equal to 5 to the power a plus 2 divided by 5 to the power 11 by 2. So this 5 to the power 11 by 2, it was multiplication on one side. So when it will be take to the other side, it will be division. So it will be 5 to the power a plus 2 divided by 5 to the power 11 by 2. Now when bases are same, exponents are different and they are in a division, so you can minus them. A plus 2 minus 11 by 2. So it will be resulted to a minus 7 by 2. So 5 to the power 1 by 2 equal to 5 to the power a minus 7 by 2. Now there is one more law of indices, that whenever there is a equal to sign between two numbers and they are having the same base, just their exponents are different, you have to make those exponents equal. So it will be 1 by 2 equal to a minus 7 by 2. So when you will solve it, you will get the answer a as 4. So the answer for the 9th question is 4. Now the 10th question, and just one more thing, that if you do not understood any question, you are having any query, you can comment in the comment box and I will explain you there. Now the 10th question, 20 to the power 8 equal to 5 to the power 8 multiplied by 2 to the power what? So first of all, 20, we know that we can rewrite 20 as 2 into 2 into 5. And now we are rewriting it in the form of numbers 2 and 5 because those numbers are only in the other side of the equal to mark. That's why. So 20 you can rewrite it as 2 into 2 into 5 to the power 8. So it will be 2 to the power 8 multiplied by 2 to the power 8 multiplied by 5 to the power 8. Now 5 to the power 8, which is being multiplied on one side, you can bring a division on the other side and you can cut 5 to the power 8 and 5 to the power 8. Okay, or you can simply just cut 5 to the power 8 and 5 to the power 8 in that equation only. So it will be 2 to the power 8 multiplied by 2 to the power 8 equal to 2 to the power box. Now 2 to the power 8 multiplied by 2 to the power 8, it results to 2 to the power 16, because when bases are same by the product law, you have to add the exponents in the multiplication form. So 2 to the power 8 plus 8, which is 2 to the power 16. So the box, it is 60. So the answer for the 10th question is 116. Now the 11th question, 5 to the power 8 is 25 to the power. So 25, you know it, we can rewrite it as 5 to the power 2. So 5 to the power 8 equal to 5 to the power 2 to the power what? Now we know by the power law that a to the power m to the whole power n means when there is two powers, you will multiply those powers. So here there is a power, but we don't know that power. It is given as box. So 5 to the power 8 equal to 5 to the power 2 into box. Now as I told you earlier, when bases are same in an equal to form, the exponents are equal. So 8 equal to 2 into box. So the box is 4. So the answer for the 11th question is 4. 12th question, m to the power 8 multiplied by m to the power 9 divided by m to the power 5 is m to the power what? Now m to the power 8 into m to the power 9 divided by m to the power 5. So here there is the same base, just it is being multiplied and divided. So if you will apply product and quotient law at the same time, when bases are same, and if they are in multiplication, will add their exponents, and if they are in division, will subtract their exponents. So it will be m to the power 8 plus 9 minus 5, which will be m to the power 12, and you will get the answer as 12. Or you can do it separately also, m to the power 8 plus 9 divided by m to the power 5, and then you can minus it. So the answer for the 12th question is 1, option 12. 13th question, a to the power minus 2 multiplied by b to the power minus 3 divided by a to the power minus 3 multiplied by b to the power minus 4. Now here a to the power minus 2, you can rewrite it as 1 divided by a to the power 2. As we know a law, that is a to the power minus 2 equal to 1 divided by a to the power 2. So any number, if it is having a negative exponent, you can turn it into positive exponent, but by just reversing the number. So when you will reverse the number, it will be 1 by a to the power 2 multiplied by 1 by b to the power 3 divided by 1 by a to the power 3 multiplied by 1 by b to the power 4. And then now 1 by a and 1 by a, they are having a same base and they are in the division form. So you can subtract their exponents, 2 minus 3, and multiplied by 1 by b, 3 minus 4. So it will be 1 divided by a to the power minus 1 into 1 divided by b to the power minus 1, which will be a into b, which is the option 3, AB. Or you can do it in a different way, that in starting the a, it is having same base, it is the same base AA, and then the division form. So we can subtract their exponents, minus 2 minus 3, which is minus 2 plus 3, which is 1, multiplied by b to the power, again subtract because b, they are the same bases and just they are in the division form. So minus 3 minus 4, which is minus 3 plus 4, which is 1. So a to the power 1 multiplied by b to the power 1, which is AB. So the answer for the 13th question is third option, AB. Now the 14th question, u to the power minus 1 multiplied by v to the power minus 1 equal to f to the power minus 1. Now here all the numbers, they are having a negative exponents. So to change into positive exponents, we have to reverse their numbers. So u will become 1 by u to the power 1 multiplied by 1 divided by v to the power 1 equal to 1 divided by f to the power 1. Because we know the law, a to the power minus m equal to 1 divided by 8 to the power m. So the answer for the 14th question is 2. 15th question, 19 to the power 5 multiplied by 19 to the power 4 divided by 19 to the power 3 equal to 19 to the power box multiplied by 19 to the power 5. Now here, by the product law, 19, 19, they are the same bases, but just the exponents are different, so we will add them. 19 to the power 5 plus 4, which is 19 to the power 9, divided by 19 to the power 3. So by the quotient law, it is in division form and the bases are same, exponents are different, we will subtract their exponents. So it will be 19 to the power 9 minus 3. That is 19 to the power 6 equal to 19 to the power box multiplied by 19 to the power 5. So by the product law, the base is 19 and 19, they are the same. Just one exponent is 5 and one exponent is box. In the RHS, there is 19 to the power box multiplied by 19 to the power 5. So of course, whatever the exponent will be there, they will be added. Why? Because of product law, the bases 19 and 19 are same, just the exponents are different. So it will be 19 to the power box plus 5. Now as I told you that when the bases are same and the equal to sign is between them, so the exponents will be equal to 6 equal to box plus 5. So the box, it will be 1. So the answer for the 15th question is second option 1. 16th question, 13 to the power 3 multiplied by 13 to the power 4 divided by 13 to the power 2 equal to 13 to the power box multiplied by 13 to the power 5. So here in the LHS, so by the product and the quotient law, if you will do it together, it will be 13 to the power 3 plus 4 minus 2. But if you want to do it separately, you can do it that by the product law, 13 and 13, the bases are same. So we'll add the exponents. 13 to the power 3 plus 4 divided by 13 to the power 2. And as it is in division, the bases are same, just the exponents are different. So we'll subtract it. So 13 to the power 7 minus 2, which is 13 to the power 5. Now 13 to the power 5 equal to 13 to the power box multiplied by 13 to the power 5. So here again, the law of indices, as I told you, when the bases are same and the equal to sign is between them, the exponents will be equal. So 5 equal to box plus 5. So the box, it will be 0 because 5 plus 0 is 5. 17th question, 6 to the power minus 7. So here 6, it is having a negative exponent. So if you want a positive exponent, we will reverse the number. So it will result into 1 divided by 6 to the power 7. Because of the law, a to the power minus m equal to 1 divided by a to the power m. Now, the 18th question, 2 to the power minus 3 divided by 3 to the power minus 6 to the power 1 by 3. So, 2 to the power minus 3, it will be converted to 1 divided by 2 to the power 3 by the law. And 3 to the power minus 6 will be converted to 1 divided by 3 to the power 6 again by the law, whole power 1 by 3. Now 1 by 3, it is a fraction. The exponent 1 by 3, it is a fraction. But we want a number. So we can convert 1 by 3 to the power 6 into 1 by 9 to the power 3. So it will be 1 by 2 to the power 3 divided by 1 by 9 to the power 3 whole power 1 by 3. So 3 and 1 by 3. By the power law, we can multiply 3 and 1 by 3. So it will be resulted to exponent 1. So 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 9 to the power 1. It is same as 2 by 9 to the power minus 1, because here we are having a positive exponent, and if you want to convert into a negative exponent, we have to reverse the whole fraction. So 1 by 2 will be reversed to 2, divided by 1 by 9 will be reversed to 9. So 2 divided by 9 to the power minus 1, or 9 by 2 to the power 1, that is equal to 3 to the power 2 divided by 2. So the answer for the 18th question is 2. 3 to the power 2 divided by 2. 19th question, compare 4 to the power 3 and 1 divided by 4 to the power minus 3. Now by the law we know that if you want to make a negative exponent to a positive, or a positive exponent to the negative exponent, we reverse the fraction. So 4 to the power 3, if you want to convert in a negative exponent, it will be 1 divided by 4 to the power minus 3. So both the fraction, they are same. So 19th question, the answer is 1 equal to. 20th question, 25 by 9 to the power minus 3 by 2. 25 by 9, you can rewrite it as 5 to the power 2 divided by 3 to the power 2. That will be 5 divided by 3 to the power 2 whole power minus 3 by 2. Now by the power law, you can multiply both the powers. So 2 multiplied by minus 3 by 2, which results to 5 divided by 3 to the power minus 3. Now as there is a negative exponent, to convert to a positive exponent, you reverse the fraction. So it will be 3 divided by 5 to the power 3, which is 27 by 125. So the answer for the 20th question is 27 by 125. So here we complete with part 2. If you have any queries or doubts, please comment. Thank you. Have a great day.